Thank you so much. Thank you. And sir, one more thing. How did you come to know about us?
Actually, I contacted Bimra.
Okay.
Gaurav Bimra, he gave me your reference.
Okay.
Then I asked him, are you trustworthy?
Uh-huh.
He said, we are Bimra and we have given him everything.
Uh-huh.
So I did some reviews. I did some, saw your reviews on YouTube and all.
Uh-huh.
And then I decided that you are the guy.
So what's your verdict now, sir?
Oh,
Amazing benefits.
amazing. Awesomeness redefined.
Thank you so much, sir.
Come to Futurz for your Jeeps. I will, next year I'm going to plan buy a Navy auction Gypsy, which I'm going to come and give it to in his hand.
And we will restore it very nicely.
And I will make it something like RFC. Something some similar for RFC.
Okay. And sir, what more you are looking for in your Jimny for the future, and just for an example, आप इसमें winch लगाने वाले आप जैसे आपने मेरे को बताया, और क्या क्या
Next year, only winch, बस.
Okay, only the winch, so that you can use it for
everything
off-roading.
you have done, boss.
Yeah, it is completely loaded.
It's completely loaded now.
Yeah.
You are good.
Yes, thank you so much.
Mr. Ashish is number one.
Thank you so much,
Simply
sir.
the best.
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you so very much for giving us an opportunity, sir, and trusting on us, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So guys, this was all about today's mods on Jimny, and stay tuned with us for such more videos, such more information videos, and such more modification on 4x4s. Thank you so very much. ऐसे subscribe करते रहिए, like करते रहिए, and see you soon. Bye.